Hello friends, today in this video I will explain you how to register yourself in TALLWIN Life's official website. Friends, in this video not only I explain registration process but I also explain how to activate your ID, how to withdraw your amount, what is the process of balance transfer. So friends, don't skip this video if you want to learn how to use TALLWIN Life dashboard. So friends, first I explain you that how to register yourself in TALLWIN Life official website. Process is very easy. Follow the step for registration. For registration, visit official website www.tallwinlife.com. When you visit this official website, you can see this type of interface and content. There is multiple options. There is multiple content in this website. For registration, you have to click on sign up options. Friends, when you click on sign up option, you can see this type of screen. This is the registration form. You can fill the form carefully for register yourself. Otherwise, friend, you can register yourself by referral link. For referral link, you contact those person who shared this video with you. Otherwise, friends, you can get referral link in this description box of this video. So my dear friends, in this video, I will explain you how to register yourself by a referral link. My friend sent me a referral link for registration. So friends, click on the registration link. After that, carefully fill the form like name, mobile number, email address and country, and type your username and also password. After complete, click on agree terms option and last click on create account. So my dear friends, you can see here your username and password. You can now log in with your username and password. So let's see how to log in and what is the process of ID activation. So my dear friends, for login, first go to home page of website. You can find login option on menu bar. For login option, simply click on login option. Now you can see here login details. For login, enter your username and password and click on I am not a robot options. After that, click on log me on option. So friend, this is the dashboard of TALLWIN Life. First you can see here congratulations with your name. There is a multiple option you can see here. You can see here total team, how many people working with you. You can see here total refers and your active referrals. You can see boosting board income and your total income and your total withdrawal balance. So friend, let's talk about profile option. If you want to update your profile, click on profile options. You can see here your profile details. If you want to change your profile, you can also update your profile from these options. So my dear friends, if you want to change your current password, for that click on change password option. From that options, you can easily change your password. Similarly, friends, if you want to change your transaction password, you can follow the same process to change the transaction password. So friend, now let's talk about ID activation process. For ID activation, first you have to balance on your ID. So first explain how to add fund in your ID. After that, I will explain in details how to activate your ID. So let's explain first add fund option. Click on add fund options. You can see here details. First select crypto option. From this option, click on USDT TRC20. After that, enter minimum amount. Friends, minimum activation amount is $30. That is why I am entering here 30. After entering amount, enter your transaction password. After entering transaction password, click on proceed option. After clicking proceed option, you can see here one address and QR code. Simply copy the address. Friends, if you want to add balance in your TALLWIN Life ID, you have to log in your Binance account. In this video, I will show you how to add balance from Binance from my desktop. But friends, keep remember you can do it from your Android mobile from Binance application. After opening Binance account, go to wallet option. From wallet option, click on funding wallet option. From funding wallet, click on withdrawal option. In withdrawal crypto, first select crypto. Crypto will be USDT. In address book, paste your address which you copy from TALLWIN Life add fund option. In network option, select Tron TRC20. Enter withdrawal amount. $31 will be here because $1 is network fees, and click on simply spot wallet option. Finally click on withdraw option. After clicking and withdraw option, enter OTP which you will receive from your registered email address and mobile number. After entering OTP, click on submit option. Friends, after submit option, it shows pending, but approx 5 to 10 minutes it will be approved and your fund will be added in your ID. So my dear friends, after waiting for 5 minutes, let's check fund add or not in my ID. For checking fund, click on activation options. You can see here friends, now my current balance is $30. Now I explain how to activate ID. In activation partner ID box, enter username which you want to activate ID. After entering partner ID, you can see also partner name and your rank will be Apple. In transaction password options, enter your transaction password and simply click on proceed option. After clicking proceed options, ID will be activated successfully.